Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Virgin Voyages experts. And today, I have the great pleasure of being on board the beautiful, brand new Resilient Lady. This gorgeous suite is a gorgeous suite. You're gonna find all those incredible MEGA ROCKSTAR amenities. You go all the way to the very top here. Now I'll go through that and tour the space in just a moment. But keep in mind when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any room or suite with Virgin Voyages, make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with Virgin, and we know we can help craft your cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now, if you book this suite, you're not only gonna feel like a MEGA ROCKSTAR, you're gonna get all the MEGA ROCKSTAR amenities. That's gonna start even before you arrive here on board, and your Harr Travel advisor can guide you through the process to make sure you get the very most out of your cruise value. Now you're gonna see that you have complimentary transfer to the port, or you'll get complimentary parking. You'll have early access for what Virgin is really known for. The delicious food here on board sets the cruise line apart. You'll be able to make those reservations with your RockStar agent so that you can get exactly what you want, when you want, and set up that perfect cruise vacation. In addition to that, you're gonna find early embark and disembark privileges throughout your entire cruise. You'll have complimentary Wi-Fi here on board. You'll also have a bar tab around the ship in addition to your bottomless in-suite bar. Now there's quite a few other amenities and we'll review them as we tour the space. Now when you walk in the door, you can see it's a really nice space, and I love that the bed's positioned directly out at those incredible ocean views. Now we're gonna head right over to the side here and check out your storage. As we open this up, you're gonna find hanging storage that goes all the way across. You got storage down below with the drawers. You have a full laptop size safe, and you also have some laundry amenities. Now as we step into the bathroom, you got those extra comfy MEGA ROCKSTAR robes. And as we head inside, you're gonna see a lot of space on the countertop for storage and down below. You'll see the nice little touches like a makeup cloth here. You also have the highly upgraded bath amenities. You've got a US plug tucked in the corner. You also have the hooks here for those robes. Now tucked just behind, you're gonna find the water closet. I do love that you have a door that'll shut off. And then right around the corner, you're gonna find the large walk-in shower. Now I'm a really big guy, I'm 6'6". I can fit just fine in here. You've got the rainfall shower head up above, the adjustable shower wand, more of those upgraded bath amenities, and a really nice bench here where you can sit and soak. Now as you step out, you're gonna have your vanity here. You got a stool you can sit on, drawers for storage. You'll also find your hairdryer in there. There's a US plug and a European plug in addition to the nice large mirror. Now as we step further in, you're gonna find that bottomless bar that we were speaking about. You'll also have a fully stocked mini fridge underneath. They'll replenish that as you'd like. And of course, Virgin started with music. You'll have your own record player in here in addition to a selection of records that you can choose from. You've got two USB plugs, a US and European plug tucked just behind, in addition to the nice large speaker system. Now tucked in the corner, you're gonna find your sofa. In addition to being a nice large space, you're also gonna have an ottoman, and it can fold out if you have additional sailors joining you. You've got the coffee table here. In fact, you can dine every single meal right here in your suite if you'd like. Of course, you can take it out on the terrace as well. You've got the large bed here, extra comfy with upgraded mattress, pillows, and linens. You're gonna find plugs on either side. You've got US and USB chargers. And I did wanna point out this tablet. Now from there, you can control the large flat screen television. You can stream directly from it. Of course, on the TV, you've got a selection of movies, TV channels, and you can see what's going on throughout the ship. Now you've got storage underneath the bed. You've got storage on either side as well. I did want to point out that they've got a cover here if you want to have a little bit extra privacy. Of course, you can take advantage of that light coming in, and from the bed, you can look out at those beautiful ocean views. You've got a chair tucked just in the corner, and now let's head out and check out the terrace. Now as we step out on the terrace, you can see it's really nice large space. You've got a table and two chairs here. It's that perfect place for a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening, or you can have breakfast right here from the room service menu before you head out and enjoy an incredible port. You've got two large loungers with a cocktail table just in between. Tucked in the corner, you're gonna find that classic red hammock, what Virgin is known for. It's a yellow leaf hammock, that's the company that makes it. They're super comfy, and a lot of our guests actually purchase them when they head home. Now tucked in the corner, you've got a shower out here. You can utilize that in the privacy of your own space. Now keep in mind, in addition, another great upgrade is that you're gonna have complimentary access to the thermal suite. If you want to see that and everything else on this beautiful ship, you can see it on our full ship tour. We have the other rooms and suites on the channel as well. And when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any room or suite with Virgin Voyages, make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel. We know the spaces inside and out, we have an amazing relationship with the cruise line, and we know we can help craft your cruise vacations of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.